Here are some of the MCQs on Unity game engine. So let's start with it. First, Unity is. As Unity is engine for game development, it is a platform. That's clear. So it is a single platform or cross platform. Now the thing comes, only for desktop and Android this option is useless. So go with only first option and third option, that is platform, single platform, otherwise cross platform. So it is a cross platform. Unity is a cross platform. Answer, cross platform. Which one is a script language for Unity? Java, C Sharp. Unity supports the scripting language. Mainly everyone knows that is the C Sharp language. As it supports scripting language, Java is not that supportable. It is supportable with C Sharp and JavaScript language. Answer is both B and C. Third, script that runs for each vertex of the mesh is. As the question itself is asking each vertex of the mesh. So the script which is the inbuilt script for vertex of the mesh is the vertex shader. Answer is vertex shader. The inspector panel allows user to. Now as you all know, the inspector panel on the right hand side of your Unity screen, Unity engine screen, it allows for everything. It allows for modifying, it allows for adjusting the angle, it allows to zoom, it allows to drag, drop, import the pictures, it allows to add physics, it allows to add animation, allows to add sound, video, everything. So inspector panel allows for everything. That's why the answer is all of the above. That means modifying numeric values, drag and drop references of scene object, and it also shows a custom made UI. Answer is fourth, all of the above. Next, to hide game object in Unity 3D, what you will be using? To hiding, you can't use Terrain to hide. Terrain, it gives the effect, it means that effect only I should say. Then asset bundle, it is the bundle of predefined assets. So of course, to hiding the game object, you will be using some of the code. You can use the code to hide object. Answer is to use the code. Next, Unity 3D components include Unity 3D components. Unity is the engine, and UE4, what they are saying, UE4, Unreal Engine. Engine within an engine, it can't be the answer. So, what is the answer then? Lefted, first and second, toolbar and hierarchy. Answer is above both. Unity components include toolbar also and hierarchy also. Then animation is, as everyone knows, animation means a video, one kind of video animation, isn't it? So it can't be an artwork. Artwork will be an image, it can't be an artwork. Then method used, it can't be a method within and graphics. So animation, as it is the video, its answer is, that is the rapid display of sequence image, because if multiple of images, if you are showing it in a rapid form, it creates video. So animation is also the same, rapid display of a sequence of images. Next, game is a collection of. Game is a collection of scene. Everyone knows. Game is a collection of scene. How many scene? One to one scene, one to many scene, many to one scene. So here the answer is one to many screen. Object on hierarchy. On hierarchy, every of the object turns red. Answer is red. Next, major component in Unity architecture. Major component, which is others. Who are the major components? Editor, yes. Monodevelop, yes, we use it for developing. Then game engine, yes, it is the foremost. So major components, all of the above are the major components in Unity architecture. Script name must be, whichever the script you are writing into the game Unity engines project, its name should be as equal to the class name, isn't it? So it is same as the class name or called as the class name? It is called as the class name. Answer is called as the class name. Script must be inherited from where you have to inherit the script? From the database, everybody knows. So it can't be behavior, it can't inherit from an behavior, mono behavior, it can't inherit from A, B, none of the, oh, no answer. Then what is the answer? Mongo behavior, because MongoDB, as you know, database, isn't it? So it is inherited from the Mongo behavior. Then textures and meshes are example of element. आंसर तो वही बता दिया. टेक्सचर्स एंड meshes आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एलिमेंट. स्टोर्ड इन, स्टोर्ड कहाँ पे स्टोर्ड? सो इन प्रोसेसर ना, इन मेमोरी. Now you get the answer, memory, GPU memory, CPU memory or main memory. As Unity is the engine, it has its own memory. That means it has its own graphics processing memory. so it can't be a RAM. And cpu also uses RAM as its memory, so neither the CPU memory, which is the RAM only, and main memory, that is also the RAM, so this is not the answer is GPU memory. Capabilities of Unity. Unity's capability, you can add physics, so yeah, physics is the capability. 2D and 3D support, yeah, you can create 2D and 3D in games, so this is also the capability. AAA game quality. AAA game quality means high quality games. Yes, you can develop the high quality games using the Unity, so that's why the capabilities of Unity, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Next, which packages we have to import in a simple Unity project? Every kind of packages you can import in a simple Unity project. So particles package, water package, skybox package, every of the packages you can import. The answer is all of the above. Thank you.